Hey y'all, it's Lisa with Hobby Time. Welcome back. So we have a lot of fun to get into today. I'm super excited. So let's get into it.
Okay, so check it out. Obviously see the ODDVOCADOS. So in my first video, we undid this guy. So do you remember him? My little sharkicado guy? And I was like, he's so cute, we definitely gotta do some more. So that's what I think. I went and got some more, right? Like, check them out! Ah! Like, all these guys. Hopefully, we don't have some dupes, but if we do, well, then we got some friends for our sharkicado guy, right? See if I can open them without using my scissors. I don't have any nails. Let's check it out. Go ahead and... These never open nice for me. Like, what the heck? Let me know in the comments. Do you guys open these things all nice and like just zip like they want you to do? Or is it just me that struggles? Let me know. Okay, well that one kind of came off nice. Kinda. Alright, let's see who we get. Okay, so far, positive note, positive note. Looks like a little ninja guy. Check it out. Now, first thing I think of, I don't know about you guys, but this could just be grown up from, 80s, 90s. I think of Raphael, the Ninja Turtle guy. But he kind of has a cape. So is he supposed to be a superhero or just a really angry ninja with way too much bandana going on? Either way, I think he's really cute. And these guys are with the Funko Paka Paka, or hopefully I'm saying that right. Probably not. But they have a lot of, I looked them up, they have a lot of cute ones. They have ninjas with toilets and stuff like that. I don't know if I'll be doing more of their product. We'll see. They kind of crack me up with their little stuff, and they're very unique. So we'll put him over here. Let's see if I can. Well, he stands up a little better. I have. Whoa, calm down, guys. Calm down. I have Sharkicado leaning on his thing, but he just wants to sit straight up. So I'll lay him down so you can see his face. They all have. Seem to come with their list. If you remember from my first video, which you'll be able to click on. At the end, it'll be like here, or somewhere. Anyway, they don't have names. Like, why don't you have names? So I guess we'll be naming them ourselves? We can come up with names for these guys, right? If you want to pause the video and look at all of them, I'll do that for a second. You can pause the video and then come back and watch the rest of it. Also, with the Funko Paka Paka guys, there's this dragon that seems to be in every single... You can collect this guy, like, in all of their collections. But, looks like we got a common guy, but... Well, just kind of have this off to the side. And their egg. Let's see if we're around. I bet you one of these times it'll rip... Hey, look at that! It actually ripped the way it was supposed to. Right as I said, maybe one of these times it'll rip nice. Pop. Okay, awesome, awesome. Another list. Check this guy out. Check this guy out. Super cute. Super cute. I don't know what that means. Okay, so he's got a beach ball instead of like the seed. That is sunscreen. That's cute. But if you've ever seen the movie, just totally slipped my mind. Rio. The movie Rio with the birds. He goes, "You got bird doo-doo on your nose." That's what that's what I think of every time I see someone with sunscreen on their face. This is really cute. It's painted really cute. You can kind of tell. I'll try to get closer. No, that doesn't help you guys. I'm sorry. He's got like slightly little pink cheeks. His hat is really cute. No, it doesn't come off. So like, if you get these, they're not gonna like just have all these accessories everywhere. The ball doesn't pop out. Painted really cute. little vinyl toys, bumpy like an avocado. Super cute. I really like these guys. I was afraid, like, looking at the pictures, I'm like, this will be stupid, but it's really cute. I enjoy that a lot. And whatever. And I don't know what Chase. I don't know that because it's like common, super common, hyper rare, and Chase. I don't. Does that mean these are rare? I don't understand. Okay. See if we can be lucky again and have it open nicely for us. No, of course not. No, why, Lisa? Why would we expect that to be nice for you twice in a row? No, that's... How dare I expect things? That's okay. It's not too difficult. Just pop that sucker right... Okay, so now we got... Okay, well, in the list, it doesn't even have... I think I've been bamboozled, you guys. Now you tell me what you think in the comments, because if you ask me, this dude looks blue. Blue. Blue, right? Blue. I see blue. When you look at this list, that looks purple. Blue. Purple. There is no blue. I see no blue. There's no mystery random avocado. Blue. I see blue. So, are these the Ninja Turtles? Are we gonna get one of each? Either way, it's different. I mean, that's cool, but... We'll see if we get a more purpley one. Maybe they just ran out of dye. They ran out of dye. I'm sorry. You just get the, Magoo one. I don't care. It's gonna open however it wants to. Okay. Can't really dump these eggs everywhere. Or capsules. Okay, we got Mr. Tongue Man. Nah. So he says, nah. He's really cute. The list says metallic. But the picture doesn't look metallic, but it says metallic. Is he like the Metallica headbanging guy? I don't know. I don't. Well, this particular one seems crack a slacking in the paint job. Like, this one's not. Well, I don't know. Maybe they're all pieced together like that. Just looks a little funky dunky. Okay. Anyway, he's super cute. I enjoy the tongue and the silly faces. I'm glad no dupes yet. I shouldn't say things. You never know. We still have 2 more to go, guys. But in the comments, tell me if you want me to grab some more of these. I think I'm, regardless, probably going to grab some more because obviously we don't have all of them. You know, I said it one time, and they're never going to let me open these nicely again. Let me know what you guys think of these cute little guys. Because they are different, and... Oh my god, guys, check it out! Dude, so excited. Chuck that stuff to the side, whatever. I'll clean it up off the floor in a minute. Yeet, yeet. Check it out. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. See, bonus figure. Dude. Dude. Rawr. He kind of looks like, Bowser without the shell, or like little Koopa guy. I don't know. But he's cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, we definitely need to get some more because obviously we're not getting all the whole set, but dude, he's so cute. Oh my gosh. Soup's excited. Rawr. Oh my gosh. I wasn't even thinking that we were gonna get this guy. I was like I was all worried about getting like the guys with the beards, mustaches, and these zombie guys. I want the zombie guys. But we got the bonus figure. I was just saying that you can collect these in each of their thing. They're like, some of them are silver. Super excited. That's so cool. We got one. He doesn't lay down nice to show you guys. Like, I'll try to lean him up. Whatever, he's there now. Okay, so this is the last one. Hopefully not a dupe. Please open nice. Please open nice. Here. Okay, maybe try this side. Let's see if the last one can be nice to us, right? Nope. Nope. Okay, well, poop on you, Rapper. Poop on you. Alright, who do we think? Maybe, hopefully we'll get a guy with a mustache or a zombie. Who do we get, guys? Who do we get? A list! No, okay, let's see. Oh my gosh! Dude, it's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. You guys are experiencing super excitement here. Okay, so it's not the bloody one. But bro, look. We got the zombie. Brains. Have you ever seen that game? That super old game. Okay, Plants vs. Zombie. Brains. It kind of looks like he ate a marshmallow and he just cannot get it out of his mouth. He's like, help me. There wasn't enough chocolate, too much marshmallow. But anyway, this is awesome. Okay, I'm super excited. First of all, no dupes. Second of all, got some of the... Alright, well, he just, like, totally bombed all the other guys. Epic. Epic, you guys. Totally awesome. So exciting. So exciting. Still don't know why they gave me a blue one. Now we need to go see if there's other ones. So cool. Bonus figure. It seems like... This is awesome. We got, like... Oh, we got that guy. Not the metallic-y guy. We got that guy. This one. I think they gave us this one, but they lie. So this one. And we got the Sharkado. We got the Brains guy. This one. So awesome. Awesome, guys. Okay, so that is it. Let me know which one you like the best out of them all so far. And I think I'm really going to have to do more of these. So stick around, subscribe, comment, and you'll have to see, because if you subscribe, you're going to see when I do more of these. All right, thanks, guys, and let's see what else we can get into.